Okay, so I wanted to jump on about different cams. So a lot of times the assembly is not going to work perfectly in reference to the CAD features, right? The other piece is some of you may want smaller or bigger cams based on the motion you're after, right? So the file that you have, let's say that I wanted this hexagon cam, right? You'll see that it has a radial dimension as well as an axle hole. Okay. What these are is these are variables. If you double click this and you change it to an eighth of an inch or 0.125, hit the green check. Now you have a hex cam that has an axle hole of 0.125. In addition, let's say maybe you wanted one that's not 2 inches, you wanted it to be 1 inch, you wanted something smaller, right? There you go. Okay. Like this, the whole feature to this is just maybe you wanted it bigger, right? You can play with these cams. They're there for you to test out. If you want to use what's already there, these are the ones that are standard prints. So all of those are available for you. Okay. Um, a lot of you also had questions on the circle cam. All right. This is if you want to do spinning. A lot of these are used for placeholders because most of you are using bevel gears that you already have. But again, just trying to give you as many resources as possible. So just wanted to show you, and each one of these will work the same way. Like radial is just the distance from the middle of the hole out, and then the axle hole is the same for each one, right? So most of them will start at the same exact dimension, but not necessarily uh, end up that way for your document. So I'm hoping that makes sense. If you aren't planning on changing them, you definitely don't have to. That is fine. So this is going to change for each individual automata. I am hoping this makes sense, and I'm looking forward to seeing what you learn next.